What is going on YouTube? It's your boy Dollar Mike back at again with another video. This video is actually by request and I'm going to be going over my full crypto portfolio yet again. I can't remember the last time I did this, but I know it wasn't too long ago, maybe about, I would say maybe at most 6 months ago, I think, and I don't even think it was that long ago. But either way, by request, I'm going to be going over my crypto portfolio, and I'm also going to be talking about all my future plans with crypto, or what I have in mind for my crypto portfolios across all my different crypto accounts. So pretty much that's going to be the video, so let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into the video. Let's go. If you're new to the channel, then of course, welcome. Thank you very much for tuning in. And if you don't know what I do, I pretty much make personal finance videos going all across YouTube, all across my entire channel. So that means saving your money, investing your money, budgeting, credit cards, crypto, like we're talking about today. So if you're interested in any of that stuff, then make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to see more like it. Either way, let's talk about the first stock, or not first stock. Let's talk about the first piece of crypto in my portfolio. That's actually my largest crypto holding, and that is known as Ethereum. So currently I buy and store all of my Ethereum on my BlockFi portfolio. That portfolio in particular, I know you guys, it depends on how you use crypto and whatnot. Maybe you might want to do cold storage. Maybe you want to store it on an exchange. Obviously, cold storage is probably one of the most secure ways to store your crypto. And I do have crypto stored there for the time being. But I have my crypto, or my Ethereum in particular, on BlockFi because I've been using BlockFi for about a year and a half now. And I still receive that passive income from BlockFi. I get about a 4% APY on my current Ethereum that I have in my BlockFi portfolio. And then I also continue to buy Ethereum on the BlockFi portfolio simply because it's super easy to do. I already set it up automatic payments, and I put about $20 every single week to buy more ETH or buy more Ethereum. Now, when we can't eventually pay or receive any extra interest, then I'll go ahead and transfer all my Ethereum on over to my cold storage wallet. This thing right here, my ledger. And if it can focus, it sees my face, so it might not want to focus, but yeah, it's my ledger. There we go. Is that it? Yep, that's it. Either way, it'll be stored on here in the future, but for the time being, it is on my BlockFi portfolio, and I'll simply make that transfer when the time comes. Right now, I have about 1.17, I believe, ETH across pretty much all my accounts, so that's a little bit over $3,500, I would say. And my current goal when it comes to Ethereum is to own about 10 Ethereum. So that's all I got for Ethereum. Let's move on over to my next holding. My next holding isn't large by any means, but I did dedicate 5% of my portfolio, yes, 5% of my portfolio to go to this particular asset, and that is Bitcoin. So with Bitcoin, I personally never really bought into Bitcoin like that. Obviously, I know it's the biggest crypto you can buy. It's the number one. It's the first one that's been around. I just simply like Ethereum more for the uses of Ethereum and all the other altcoins. So I like Ethereum more, so that's my largest holding. Bitcoin, I would say, is actually one of my smallest holdings. I only hold about $300 worth of Bitcoin. That's pretty much nothing, but as of right now, like I said before, 5% of my portfolio will be dedicated to Bitcoin. So that's my Acorns portfolio. I just restarted that portfolio, so there's not much money in there either, only about $150, but I did dedicate 5%. So going forward, 5% of that portfolio will always be Bitcoin, which is pretty solid on that part. And then I'll also be adding another $30 of Bitcoin every single month on my Robinhood portfolio. You may say, Mike, why are you buying Bitcoin on Robinhood? You know, you could buy it anywhere, and you could buy it anywhere. And Robinhood, it probably isn't the best place to buy it, but Robinhood does offer fee-free buying when it comes to buying actual crypto. When you go and buy it on Coinbase or some of these other exchanges, you have to pay maybe like a $1.99 fee. And if I can pay it or get Bitcoin or any other crypto for free, then I'm gonna go ahead and get any other crypto for free on Robinhood and then transfer that to my cold storage wallet, because we can do that now. That's an option. Before, with Robinhood, as you guys know, or if you didn't know, you couldn't do that, but now we're at a point where we can do that. You can transfer your crypto off of Robinhood onto your cold storage wallet or to another exchange if you want to. So that's completely up to you. I already made a video talking about that and doing the whole process, so definitely check that video out. Link will be right up there. Either way, let's move on over to the next holding. Now, this holding is all in cold storage right here on my private ledger wallet. It's all right here, and that is Dogecoin. I bought Dogecoin way back, way before it was even a penny. I bought it way back. I've made tons of money off of Dogecoin in the past, but when it rose up to about 75 cents, I never sold all of it. So I still have about 8,000 Doge. It's all right here on this private ledger, and it's been on here for a couple months now. So currently that's about a little bit over $1,000 in Doge just sitting on here. Like I said, my average cost on Doge is about a penny, I believe. That's how much I bought. That was the last time I bought Doge. The last time I bought Doge was at 1 penny, when it was 1 cent. Right now it's at about 14 cents. Like I said before, it went up to 75 cents, came back on down. But either way, I'm probably just holding it for the long term. I don't really have any plans for Doge, but I also don't plan on buying any more Doge anytime soon. If Doge dropped below, I would say about 7 cents, then I would consider buying maybe about I would say maybe like 2,000 to 5,000 more Doge or something like that, just for fun. And I'll just transfer it right on over to here and just hold for the long term. And that's just what I'm doing with my current Doge. So all my Doge is currently on here, about 8,000, about $1,000 worth, nothing crazy, but there you guys go. That's all I got for my Doge. And like I said, I don't plan on buying any more anytime soon. My next crypto holding is actually my second largest crypto holding. And right now it's crypto.com coin, actually rebranded. It's actually rebranded as Chronos now. Pretty much ticker symbol CRO, Crow coin, Chronos, crypto.com coin. It's not crypto.com coin anymore, but now it's Chronos. I have about 5,000 Crow on the crypto.com exchange, and I plan on getting that up to about 10,000 Crow once I get everything settled in this apartment. If you guys can't tell, if you watch my videos, this is a brand new space. I've never been in this space before, brand new apartment. So once everything gets settled here, I stop paying for basically all the, all like the stuff that we had to buy, like, furniture and whatnot. Then I'll go and put that money towards Chronos and get that next level card. If you guys don't know, I have the crypto.com card. I'm pretty sure it's better to actually show you than tell you, but the crypto.com card, it's right here. It's actually a really solid debit card. I made a full-blown video talking about this card before. It's a really great card. The link will be right up there for that video. It's a really good video as well. And a lot of people do have this card, and this card offers amazing benefits, but I'm not going to get into, but I do want to get the next level version of this card. In order for me to get to the next level version of this card, I need to have about $4,000 in Crow staked, pretty much. Right now I have a little bit over $2,000 in Crow staked. So like I said, I plan on buying about 5,000 more Crow, and that'll get me to that $4,000 price point, and I'll go ahead and do what I gotta do with Chronos or Crow or whatever you want to call it. Either way, that's actually my favorite crypto right now. I actually really do like Crow. I like the crypto.com platform. They still have a lot of growth left. They remind me of honestly just a real company, versus all these other projects that crypto and stuff has. This actually reminds me of a pretty solid company because they actually are a pretty solid company. They actually do a lot of different things. And I've talked about Crow on the channel multiple times. I should make a playlist of videos for it, but the link to my latest Crow video, pretty much going over everything they do, will be right on up there if you want to check those out. But Crow, I'm a big fan of Crow, if you guys don't know. On top of buying 5,000 more Crow, I also have $50 every single month go towards more Chronos. So every single month, $50 worth of Chronos will be bought from my personal bank account, and that's that. But this should be a pretty quick video because everything else in my crypto portfolio across all my different cryptos is pretty small. I have about $100 to $200 dedicated to each one of these. I do plan on buying more of these eventually, but I don't have anything planned out in the near future of when I'm gonna buy more of these. Either way, that is Avalanche, Sandbox, Decentraland, and Shiba Inu or whatever. I actually bought Shiba a long time ago, and I made about $800 off of Shiba before it ended up coming back down. And I just bought more. I bought about $100 worth of sheep on the Robinhood platform just because it was just listed on Robinhood. So I was like, just for fun, let's just buy $100 worth of sheep. So that's what I did on the Robinhood platform. That's the only one on my Robinhood platform that's actually worth something. All the other ones on there are about $1 worth, just so I can track the actual crypto when I want to see what the price is. But yeah, so Sheep, Decentraland, Sandbox, and Avalanche, all those have about $100 to $200 worth of my money put into them. So I do believe in those projects as well. I'm just not dedicating any amount of money towards it at this very moment. But I still wanted to mention it just in case you guys were wondering. Lastly, there is one more crypto that I have that's under about $100 worth in value right now. So I didn't really plan on mentioning it, but I am gonna mention it just because I still think it's a really cool project and you guys should look it up and check it out if you want to. And that is known as Lossless. So definitely check it out, definitely look it up. I have about $80 worth of this right now because I think when I originally bought it around like $250 worth of it, and I lost most of that. But either way, I still stand behind the project. I still really like what they're doing, so I'm excited to see what they can do in the future. I'm not currently buying anymore, but I might reconsider that in the future as well. So just thought I'd mention it as well, just to let you guys know. And that is all my crypto across all my different portfolios, and that's roughly about $8,000 at most right now. But honestly, I'm trying to get my crypto portfolio up to around $10,000 to $15,000. Obviously, I scaled that with my stock portfolio, so I don't take on too much risk. I still do believe crypto is way more risky than it comes to general stocks, but also crypto can make me a lot more money, I feel as though, versus the regular stock market where I invest in like Apple and Microsoft. Great companies, but are they just going to shoot up in price in a matter of a couple weeks or months? Probably not, but it'd be cool if they did. Either way, that's all I got for my crypto portfolio right now. That is my full crypto portfolio if you guys were interested. So there you guys go. If you want to see more crypto content in general, definitely let me know down in the comment section below. Typically, my crypto videos do pretty well, so that's all I got. But I don't have anything special right now. Like I said, I just moved, so I haven't been trying to do like too much as far as a lot of different things because I've been so focused on the apartment. But like I said, once everything's all settled, we'll be all good to go and we'll be back on the content and back on buying more crypto and more stocks and all that kind of good stuff. On top of that, if you guys don't know, I have a vlog channel. The link will be right up there for the vlog channel. It's known as Days with Dollar Mike. That is a vlog / lifestyle channel. So I post I'll post stuff on there when I'm not posting on here. But overall, this is still my main content maker. So you'll always get videos on here first before I post anything on there. But I believe it's about 3 vlogs up right now, and it should be more. I'm recording one right now, and it should be more in the near future, of course. I'm going to pump out content on both channels. One-man army, we're doing it all by ourselves, but it's a fun time. Regardless, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely hit it with a like button. If you did enjoy it, definitely check out the other videos across the channel. Let me know if you like the new setup. I think it looks pretty cool. It's not done yet. I think it's about 60%, 65% done right now. Not done yet, but it's pretty cool. I just bought Elden Ring. I finally got Elden Ring, so that's pretty cool. If you guys are interested in gaming and stuff like that, maybe I'll talk about that on a separate time. And that's pretty much it. So either way, thank you guys for watching. I'm out. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe, stay positive, stay hydrated. Dollar Mike. Peace.